Hello everyone, welcome back to channel. It's Bilal Khalid. Guys, I have right now Epson L1250 printer. Printer is flashing lights as usual. The issue is with this printer is ink pad need to be reset. Okay, so today we are going to reset the ink pad, and I will teach you the steps which you need to follow. And let's go move on the screen. Here we go on the screen. This is the zipped file. You have to unzip it and extract to the here. Click on it will extract the files, but make sure that before you unzip the file you must disable your antivirus. I am using Windows 7, no antivirus in my computer, but if you are using Windows 10 or 11 you must disable Windows Defender or McAfee or any antivirus you are using. Then you have to proceed further. You have to extract it, write the password. You can find the password in the description. Enter the password and it will unzip for you, and then open the folder that is extracted. This is the folder. Double click on it and double click on the adjustment program. It will ask for you first time again password, and the password you have to enter here. It's written over here. This is the password again. Second time it will ask from you the password, and this is for the first time only. Okay, we have to press the select button and select from your model. You will find L1210. There are many other models also in the list. If we will see 1211, 1216, 3251, 3256, 825, many models, but our model is right now 1210. Other options leave as is, destination Latin, English, port, auto selection. Okay, and then press particular adjustment mode, and again waste ink pad counter. Select waste ink pad counter, press OK. Select these three checks: platen pad counter, ink system pad counter, main pad counter. Check, and it's searched and 100% is full. The first one, main pad counter, I will click on it, main pad counter, and then we will click on initialize. Okay, it's asking when the OK button is clicked, counter will be initialized. I will press OK. Okay, it's showing that please turn off the printer, so I will turn off the printer from power socket. Turned off, the printer is turned off. Will turn back on again and press OK from here, OK from here, and press cancel. Printer is running now, and before it was showing straight away in the beginning ink pad error. Now there is no error. So this is the method. That was the method, guys, as you see in my laptop screen. Don't forget to disable antivirus. The all password details I will write down in the description. You can find the password and the link for to download the file. It also available in the description. If you have any other question regarding this printer or any other printer by Epson, you can ask down in the comments. I will reply your questions. Thank you for watching. All the best.